Hello friends, this is the video of A to Z Forex training. There I will teach you everything about Forex step by step in a very easy way. If you don't understand anything, just ask me, I will help you. Okay, let's begin. Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. So the currency pair. So basically when we do trading we need two currency pair. So in this market there are many, more than hundreds of currency exist in this MT4 platform and in the forex market. So if you want to become a trader, you have to know that which currency is the best currency and what is currency pair and what is cross currency pair and what is the relationship between the currencies. You have to understand those things, because this is will make an important effect on your trading. So this is the video number 9 of A to Z Forex training. So there I will discuss about the what is currency pair and what is the cross pair and what is the relation between the currencies and all the things relating to currency and what is the important currency in the forex market. So those things I will show you in this video. So I think it will be very helpful video for you. Okay, now I will go to the main video, and at the end I will give you some homework and you have to complete these things, because if you don't complete my homework then in the future it will be problem, you will face some problem about the learning. Okay, and I will also show you our real account profit, and if you see this I think you can also learn about something about the real market trading. Okay, then let's go to the main video. Okay, in this part of video I will discuss first that what is currency pair, and then what is major currency, what is the cross currency, and what is the positive correlative currency and the negative correlative currency. So regarding these things I will discuss now. So first I am telling you that what is currency pair. So if you see that if you go to the market watch, and there you can see there are lots of currency, but every currency they are not alone. Like GBP means pound, Grand British pound. So but it's not alone, it with GBP USD. So with the GBP we have another currency, its name USD. And if you see that Euro USD, there is also Euro is not alone. With the Euro we have also another currency with the USD, and there you can see the USD JPY. There is also USD is not alone. With the USD we have the JPY currency, it means the American dollar, and the Japanese yen currency, and there is the Euro with the dollar, and there is the pound with the USD. So when we will trade in this market we need a pair, like we need two currency together for trade. So for that there we call a currency pair. Like when the two currency become together, like Euro USD, GBP USD, those kind of everything you can see they are all together, there are everyone is two. So now it's become a currency pair. So there you can see that there is a currency pair like Euro USD. So first one is a base currency, and second one is a quoted currency or secondary currency or optional currency, whatever you want you can call. Okay, so in that case every time you will see that when you see a pair, there every time will be two currency. So if you see that if I take an example like there in the USD JPY, so in that case USD is the first one, it's mean base currency, and JPY is a quoted currency or the secondary currency. So when you see the first name, like there AUD is the first, so AUD is the base currency and the USD is the secondary currency. So in that case the first one every time is a base currency. So now the question is, what is the major currency? So major currency means when you will see that some currency you will see that there is no USD, like AUD COT, AUD NZD, GBP JPY, there is no USD. So those are not a major currency. When you see that a currency pair with the USD like GBP USD, so there is a USD, so this is a major currency. There the USD JPY, so there USD exist, so this is the major currency. USD COD, this is major currency. So when you see that in a currency pair USD is exist, so it will be a major currency. Now the question is, what is the cross currency? So cross currency will be like, you can see the Euro JPY, Euro NZD, Euro AUD. In those kind of currency there is no USD. So when you see that a currency pair without USD, I mean American dollar, so it will be cross currency pair. Okay, so it's very easy to understand. When you see a currency pair with the USD, it will be major currency. When you see a currency pair without USD, it will be cross currency. So now I am going to tell you, because in that case in the world every currency have some relation with the other currency. Sometimes these things happens. So sometimes this relation is become positive, sometimes it's become negative. So first I am going to show you the negative correlation between the currency pair. So negative correlated currency pair. So what does it mean? It means Euro USD and the USD CSF. When you will see that Euro USD market is going up, in the same time you will see the USD CSF market will be go down. When you will see that Euro USD market will go up, in the same time you will see that USD JPY currency price will be go down. And when you see the Euro GBP currency price go up, in the same case the GBP USD price will go down, because they are negative correlated currency, because they will act the negative. So whatever happened, if the Euro USD market going down, it will go up, and if it's go up, then it will go down. So every time they will work as a negative. And now I am showing you the positive correlated pair, and there is the things is that the Euro and the JPY, Euro JPY, there the GBP JPY will be the positive correlated currency. Like if Euro JPY will go up, the GBP JPY is market will also go up. If you see that this market will go down, Euro JPY market go down, the GBP JPY market will also go down. And the GBP CAD price if go up, the GBP AUD price will also go up. So so this currency pair is a positive correlated currency. So I think you understand, so I just remind you everything from the beginning. So like when you see a two currency pair will be two currency will be together, it's called a currency pair. And when you see the first one is a base currency, second one is a quoted currency or secondary currency. And the cross currency is means when you see there is no USD exist, so a currency pair without USD. So what is the major currency? When you see that the USD is exist, like USD CAD, USD JPY, so there is a USD exist, so this is the major currency. And negative correlative currency, it means that Euro USD if market go up, the USD CSF market will go down. So positive correlated currency pair means Euro JPY market if go up, the GBP JPY market will also go up. And also if this currency price will go down, this currency price will also go down. So every time it will just follow each other. So I hope you understand these things. And now I am going to the next part. So now I'm going to show you our real account trade, and you can see this is the I think few days ago trade, and in this account we trade in multi-currency like many currency pair, AUD USD, NZD USD, Euro JPY, and most of the currency pair, and we make profit more than $4,000. If you want to learn our trading strategies and all the trading system, you can join to my live Skype online class. Learning is a very important investment for every business. If you can learn Forex properly, you can earn unlimited money from this. So if you want, you can join to my live personal Skype class. If you join this class, I will teach you everything about Forex and you will be a profitable, successful and expert Forex trader. There you can ask me any question and you can practice with me. When you will practice in demo, I will check the trade and I will find your all mistake and I will solve your all mistake. By this way, within short time you will be a good trader. Every month I will take only 3 students because it's not a group class, it's a personal class. If you join my class, then it will be my responsibility to make you a successful trader. For more details, you can check the video details or visit our website. Okay, now I'm going to the next part. So now I'm going to give you a homework and it's important and you have to complete these things. So in the video details I give you a video link and you can see this is the video and best Forex trading session, best time to trade in Forex with the best trading hour. So this is the things, which time will be good and which time will be bad. These things you can understand by this video, and also which market is open now and now which session is running, like US session running or London session running or which session running now, you can understand by this video. So I hope you will watch this video and you can learn little bit more regarding Forex. So watch this video. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype or email or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website. And also if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about Forex from my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.